Have you ever stopped at a petrol station, filled up your car, and thought, how did this petrol even get here? Well, the journey from deep underground oil reserves to your fuel tank is longer and more fascinating than you might imagine. Today, we're going to follow Petrol step by step from the ocean floor to your car, and trust me, it's a wild ride. It all starts deep beneath the Earth's surface. Crude oil is trapped inside porous rocks, sometimes thousands of meters under land, sometimes under the ocean. These underground reservoirs are like nature's hidden treasure chests. To access them, huge oil rigs are built massive engineering marvels that can drill through rock, sand, and sediment to reach the oil waiting below. Once oil is found, it doesn't magically flow to your car. Powerful pumps bring the crude oil to the surface. In some cases, natural underground pressure helps push it up, but often mechanical pumps, or even gas and water injection, are needed to force it out. The oil that comes out at this stage is raw, thick, and mixed with water, gas, and other impurities, definitely not ready for your engine. From here, crude oil needs to be transported to a refinery. Depending on where the oil is located, it might travel through pipelines that stretch hundreds of kilometers, ride on massive tank ships, or be carried by trains and tanker trucks. Each method has its own challenges, and safety is a huge priority because crude oil is highly flammable. At the refinery, the real magic happens. Crude oil is heated to extremely high temperatures, over 400 degrees Celsius in some cases, and enters a towering distillation column. This column is like a giant sorting machine as the oil heats and vaporizes. Its different components rise and condense at different levels. Lighter fuels like petrol rise to the top. Medium fuels like diesel settle in the middle, and heavier products like lubricating oils sink to the bottom. This process is called fractional distillation, and it's just the first step. The petrol collected here still isn't ready for your car. It goes through additional refining processes to remove impurities and improve quality. Bigger molecules are broken down into smaller, more efficient fuel molecules, which means you get more usable petrol from each barrel of crude oil. Next comes blending. Petrol isn't just petrolates mixed with special additives that boost engine performance, reduce harmful emissions, and protect your car from wear and tear. In different countries, petrol blends vary depending on climate, local regulations, and the types of vehicles on the road. This is why the petrol you buy in one city might be slightly different from the petrol you buy across the country. Once refined and blended, petrol is stored in massive tanks at the refinery before being transported to fuel depots. From there, it makes its way to petrol stations using pipelines, ships, trains, or trucks. Those big tanker trucks you see on highways, they're on a mission, carrying thousands of liters of petrol to fill your local petrol station's underground tanks. When the petrol arrives at a station, it's pumped into these underground storage tanks. Sensors monitor fuel levels constantly and even detect leaks to prevent accidents or environmental damage. Finally, when you pull up to the pump and squeeze the handle, petrol flows from the underground tank, through the hose, and into your car. In just seconds, fuel that started thousands of meters underground is ready to power your engine. So, from deep underground oil reservoirs to drilling rigs, pipelines, refineries, trucks, and petrol stations, your petrol has traveled an incredible journey just to reach your car. Every drop is the result of enormous engineering, science, and logistics. Next time you fill up, take a moment to appreciate all the effort behind that simple pump click. If you enjoyed this journey from oil rig to fuel tank, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing How Things Work videos, and share this with someone who loves learning about the hidden systems powering our world.